Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to the Islamic Arts and Arabic Calligraphy by Hamid Iqbal Khan. Dear viewers and my dear subscribers, in this video of Islamic Arts and Arabic Calligraphy, I am teaching easy techniques and tips and tricks behind this fantastic and most satisfying art. The art of Arabic and Islamic calligraphy is the real Islamic heritage and a source of aesthetics, and it could be the source of spiritual power. Dear students, I am making very easy tutorials. In these tutorials, you would be knowing that how to write the letters in their proper shapes, how to write soul style in a perfect way. In today's video, I am writing the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala Al-Hafiz. Al-Hafiz. So in this Allah name Al-Hafiz, you would be knowing that how to hold Qalam. How to hold Qalam while doing Arabic calligraphy, and how to write Alief. How to write Lam with Khe, and how to write Lam, letter Lam with Khe, how to join it, and how to write head of Fe, and how to write Zwad. Al-Hafiz, how to draw dots. You can learn very easy techniques that how to draw dots and how to make Fe. How to draw Fe, how to hold Qalam. Now you can see that I am turning this Fe. Here you have to twist a little bit from the end of Fe. As you see, dear viewers, I am using different color inks. I usually use red, blue and black ink, and sometimes I use brown ink also. Dear students and dear viewers, here in this channel you can watch the most trending and art and Arabic calligraphy, Urdu and English, and easy tutorials and trending shots of learning Islamic arts and modern and classical calligraphy. You can also find all the essential and related material for the calligraphy thesis. The students who are preparing their calligraphy thesis, they can get their all material from these videos. This script of Arabic calligraphy, Islamic Arabic calligraphy, is called Souls script. Sometimes people say it S-O-U-L-S, souls, but actually the word is Souls. Souls script. This is traditional calligraphy writing styles script. It's called Souls. Even we can write the spelling S-O-U-L-S, souls also. No worries about that. I advise to the learners that while learning this art, my dear students, you should not do it speedily. You should do it slowly and try to make the Arabic calligraphy letters in their perfect formation. If you will do it speedily, you won't be able to make the proper shape of the letters and words. Also do advise to the people who are having their kids. I suggest this noble art should be taught to the new generation, so that they would be knowing about the real Islamic heritage, and they should be knowing the Islamic culture and civilization. As you know, throughout the Islamic history, calligraphy has been the most honored of the fine arts. It's such a deep source of aesthetic and spiritual pleasure. I am thankful to Almighty Allah who has given me a chance to spread this noble art in the world. I hope you will like today's video. Inshallah, I will meet you in the next video with the new name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Thank you.